Hello.
I'm audible?
Yes.
I'm audible to you?
Yeah, I can hear you clearly.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for the confirmation. Before this, I really want you to introduce your self in front of my viewers, if you don't mind.
Okay.
Yeah,
My name is Meili. I'm from Indonesia. Yeah.
okay. Apart from this, like you're a student or working.
Um, I'm I'm a gap year student basically, but I will continue my study in the college in
Okay,
September.
thank you. Thank you for the information, and you look really pretty. Okay, so apart from this, I really want you to know, like, why you are learning this language? Is there a particular reason to learn English?
um, okay. The reason I learned English because
Mm-hmm.
um I just want to actually I just want to be able in speaking and understand English.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
because I know it will open my opportunity to maybe when I study abroad or I go abroad. Yeah, English is really important these days.
Right, right. Well said. Okay. So, one more thing that I want to know about yourself, like, in your country, English is normal language to learn, or like something else? Like, what kind of language, usually you speak in your country?
The language that I speak in
Yeah,
my country,
yeah.
um, it's basically just bahasa Indonesia.
Okay.
Yeah, we speak in bahasa Indonesia. Yeah.
Oh, that's great. So, do you love any kind of food, the particular food that you want to give that you have to try at least one time from your country?
My favorite food.
Yeah, that I should also try whenever I visit and whenever I
Okay.
have been to. Yeah.
Okay. My favorite food is
Hmm.
um, it can be from any country.
Yeah, it can be from any country.
Um, okay, because I don't know what my favorite Indonesian food, but uh, because I love everything in
Oh,
Indonesia. Um, my favorite food is uh ramen. Yeah, I
oh,
really love noodles, and then I love French fries and burger. Yeah,
okay.
that's my top three favorite food.
Oh, that's great. Okay, so tell me one thing, like Maggie is also there, like it's an Indian brand like Maggie. Do you know about Maggie noodles?
Maybe.
It's also normal in Indonesia or not? It's a kind of
I
ramen.
haven't heard about it before. Can you type it on the message? I will
Uh,
search it after this.
okay, give me a second dear.
Yeah.
It's a Maggie, a famous brand in India, like a noodle. We have to just make it.
Or Maggie. Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Maggie. Is there
Ah,
anything that you want to
yeah.
ask?
I don't know.
Ah,
I'm so sorry if I'm a bit awkward.
oh,
I'm so
is it?
sorry.
No worry, dear. No worry. Okay, so tell me about your hobbies. That if you get any kind of spare time, that what you to love to do in your spare time and how you utilize your timing.
So my hobby is watching K drama, and then
Oh,
I love singing.
oh my God, you're a singer. Okay, which type of K drama do you like more? Like I have also seen K dramas, and so who
Mhm.
is your favorite? Like who is your favorite actor?
My favorite actor is Cha Unu. You know Cha Unu?
Oh
He's
yeah.
really handsome actor.
Oh my God, we are
Okay.
running out of time. Okay, it was really nice
Nice to
talking to
meet
you. Bye
you.
bye.